Ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin yung tinatawag na systems of linear equations. Pag sinabing system of linear equations, these are linear equations having the same variables. So, meron tayong mga types or kinds of linear equations or systems of linear equations. Ang unang kind is consistent independent o yung mga systems na mayroong iisang solution. Okay? For example, yung ating y equals negative 2/3 x plus 8/3 at yung y equals x minus 4. Okay? So, their graph is intersecting and the point of intersection is 4, 0, which is its solution. Okay? So, its number of solutions is only one solution kasi nag-intersect lang siya sa iisang point. No? Intersecting line ng kanilang graph, and the ratio of their numericals will be a sub 1 over a sub 2, or the numericals of x is not equal to b sub 1 over b sub 2, which is the numericals of y, and not equal to the ratio of their constants. So, paano ito malalaman? You have to write first your equation in standard form. So, for our first equation, we have y equals negative 2/3 x plus 8/3. Multiplying the whole equation by 3, you will have 3y equals negative 2/3 times 3 is negative 2. Transposing to the other side, it will become 2x positive. So, let us add 3y. Then, 8/3 times 3 is 8. Okay? Then, for the other one, just transpose x to the other side. It will become negative x plus y equals negative 4. So, this equation is its standard form. And if you compare the ratio, let us write its ratio on one side. The ratio will be from this numerical to the other numerical, we will have 2 over negative 1. 3y and y, we will have 3 over 1. And 8 over negative 4, which is in lowest term is negative 2. So, these two are not equal. These two are also not equal. Okay, so as you can see, this satisfies our ratio or rule for ratio that the numericals of x should not be equal to the numericals of y and should not also be equal to the ratio of the constants. Now, for the consistent dependent equations or systems, ibig sabihin nito, may solution pero marami. No, so its number of solutions are infinitely many. Okay? So, for example, we have here the equation y equals x minus 4 or negative x plus y equals negative 4. If we have the equation negative 2x plus 2y equals negative 8. No? Kung itong equation na ito, i-divide natin by 2, you will arrive with the same line. So, itong systems na ito, system pa rin sila because they have the same variable. This system will be or will have the same graph as its graph. No, the same line as its graph. Okay? Kung ano yung graph ng negative x plus y equals negative 4, yun rin yung magiging graph ng negative 2x plus 2y equals negative 8. Kaya ang kanyang nagiging ratio will be equal to all of the numericals and constants. Okay? Then, for the inconsistent, these are systems having no solution. Bakit? Because their graph are parallel lines. Okay? For example, pag sinabing parallel lines, these are lines having the same slope. So we have here negative 2/3 x plus 2/3 and y equals negative 2/3 x plus 8/3. Okay? So they have the same slope, different y-intercepts. So we can say that they are parallel lines. If we write the other equation in standard form, multiplying the whole equation by 3, we will have 3y. Then negative 2/3 times 3 is negative 2. Transpose, it will become positive 2x. Then 2/3 times 3 is 3. Okay? So, as you can see, if we compare the ratio of the two, we will have 2 over 2, 3y and 3y. So, we will have 3 over 3, which is equal to each other because they're both equal to 1. But the ratio of the constant will be 8 over 3. So they are not equal anymore. So it satisfies the ratio. The numericals of x will be equal to the ratio of the numericals of y, but will not be equal to the ratio of the constants. Now let us solve systems by elimination. When we say elimination, we will solve for one variable by removing the other variable. So, ibig sabihin, if we solve for x, we will eliminate y. Or if we solve for y, we will eliminate x. Okay? So, for the first given, we have x plus y equals 40 and x minus y equals 18. The first thing that you should do is to arrange the terms in standard form. Ax plus by equals c. But as you can see, it's already written in standard form. Nauna na yung x, pangalawa yung y, then equals the constants. Okay? The next step is for you to identify or to observe our given terms. Okay? If there are opposites, meaning yung terms na may numerical, parehas na numerical, magkaiba na lang ang sign, all you have to do is to add our given. So, x plus x, same numerical, same sign. Y and negative y, same numericals, different signs. So, yan yung sinasabi nating opposites. When you have opposites, to solve that one, you have to add. Okay? So, when we add, okay, x plus x, we will have 2x. Y plus negative y will be equal to 0. Then 40 plus 18 is 58. So, as you can see, we eliminated y to solve for x. So, after adding, you will arrive with a linear equation in one variable. Okay? So, tatandaan, if there's no plus or minus sign, you will not transpose. Okay? You will divide both sides of the equation by the numerical of x. Okay? So, if this is negative 2, then divide the whole equation by negative 2. So, 2x divided by 2 is x. And 58 divided by 2 is 29. Meaning, the first number is 29. Then, to solve for y, we may choose to eliminate x or we may substitute. Okay? So, to solve for y, substitute. Okay? So, to substitute, you may choose one of the two equations. Let's say we choose x plus y equals 40. And substitute the value of x that we were able to get earlier to your equation. So, x plus y will become 29 plus y equals 40. Transposing 29 to the other side, it will become y equals 40 minus 29. Always remember that all variables will be written on the left. All terms without variables will. Then, subtracting our numbers, 40 minus 29 is 11. And this will be the value of y. If you want to check your work, let us use the other equation. No, x minus y equals 18. Since x is 29, y is 11, let us substitute it to our given to check. Okay, so x will become 29 minus y is 11. 29 minus 11 is 18. And once you see that it is equal to the left and right side, then your answer. So in checking, just substitute your answers to the next equation. So we have x minus y equals 18. X will become 29. Y will become 11. So 29 minus 11 is 18, which is also equal to 18. So kapag nag-equal yung left and right side, ibig sabihin tama yung ating sagot. Okay? So we have another given taken from the graph earlier, no? So we already have the equation 2x plus 3y equals 8 for this line. And negative x plus y equals negative 4, which is for this black line. Okay, so their point of intersection is 4, 0. Let us see if we will arrive with 4, 0 as our answer if we eliminate, if we solve this equation through elimination. Okay, so again, to eliminate, arrange your terms in standard form. So we've already arranged it earlier, no? So now, let us inspect our given. Meron ba tayong terms that are opposites? Obviously, wala, diba? So we have 2 and negative 1. Hindi equal or hindi man lang opposites. 3 and y are also not opposites. So, again, kung walang opposites, decide on which you are going to, which term are you going to eliminate. No? So, kung i-eliminate natin itong y na ito, saan natin i-multiply yung pangalawang equation or yung y na ito para magkaparehas na sila ni 3y? Obviously, sa 3, diba? So, parang ang clue nyo na dyan, kung ito ay 3, the next equation will be multiplied by 3. And if this is 1, the first equation will be multiplied by 1. But, if you have here numbers having LCM or GCF, LCM I mean, no? If we have here 6 instead of 3, then only the first equation will be multiplied by 2. And do not multiply the second by 6. No? Kasi medyo lalaki yung number, although walang problema dahil dadating ka rin sa tamang sagot. No, medyo malaki yung number. And it will make your solving a little bit more difficult. No? So, let's say we multiply this one. So, 1 times 2x is still 2x. 1 times 3y is still 3y. And 8 times 1 is still 8. 3 times the whole equation will be negative 3x. 3 times y is 3y. And 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Okay? So, since our terms or the terms that we wanted to eliminate have the same symbol or same sign, we have to, syempre, para mag-0 sila, you have to subtract naman. Okay? When you subtract, the signs of each term will be changed, no? So, kung negative tong pangalawa, dati magiging positive na siya. Kung positive ito dati, magiging negative na siya. And if this one is negative, this one will become positive. Then, saka ka lang mag-add. Okay? So, when we add, 2x plus 3x is 5x. 3y plus negative 3y is 0. Then, 8 plus 12 is 20. Again, dividing the whole equation by 5, we will have x equals 4. Solving for the other variable, again, we may substitute, no? So, if we choose 2x plus 3y equals 8, substitute x with 4. No? So, 2 times x will become 4 plus 3y equals 8. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3y equals 8. Transposing 8 to the other side, this will become negative. Okay? Then 3y equals 0, and dividing both sides by 3, we will have y equals 0. Okay? So as you can see, we got the answer for 0. No? To check, you may substitute to the other equation. No? X minus y equals negative x plus y pala equals negative 4. Okay? So, negative x is negative 4 plus y equals 0, equals negative 4. And negative 4 plus 0 is negative 4 equals negative 4. So, your answer is correct.